Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can create automatic YouTube subscription link for your channel. If you have YouTube channel, then this video will help for it. Okay? Friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Okay? Let's see how to create subscription link for your channel. So, firstly I am going to my channel, Digital Nazmul, and this is my channel. This is my channel, and I'm going to my custom channel. Mind it, you have to do it from your channel. Okay, custom link, custom channel. And when you get your custom channel customization, then click on basic info, and here you will get channel name and channel URL. This is my channel URL, and this is my custom channel URL, and you can use any of this link. You can use any of this URL. Okay friends, then you can copy this link. You can also copy this link, but now I'm going to my video that I have created before, and I'm going to my last video. This is my last video. Hello guys, in this video I'm going, and let's see here, subscribe to my channel for more video. Here I created my YouTube subscription link for my channel, and we can copy from here, notepad, paste here, and now see my channel URL. This is my custom URL. Click here and paste this. You can see here carefully, after your YouTube channel link or URL, you have to just add sub confirmation. Okay, this code you can copy from my channel, and you can add it after your channel URL. Okay guys, then if I go to this link, what happens? It will go to my channel, but when I use this link and copy and paste and go, what happens? It will showing in pop-up message, confirm channel subscription, and are you sure you want to subscribe to Digital Nazmul? And when someone click this link, and he will get this message, and if he click on subscribe, and he will be your subscriber. I think it will helpful for you guys, and please don't subscribe to my channel if you think it is helpful for your channel. So thanks for watching this video.